hot take, I do not eat salads for lunch. I prefer my creamy Alfredo pasta recipe that has 29 grams of protein per serving and healthy carbs, and all of this is found in my cookbook, Eat to Hustle. This is going to be a nutritious way to power you through your day. Baby, let's get cooking. All right, so we already have the pasta water boiling. Key here, try to find a high protein pasta that is gonna up the protein count for this recipe. There are tons of brands that you can get now in local supermarkets, lots of different brands out there. All right, so we've got all of our sauce ingredients here. We have a can of Cannellini beans, half a cup of nutritional yeast, 6 ounces of silken tofu, 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. All right, we're gonna throw everything into our mixer. The beans, the nutritional yeast, and the tofu are adding protein and fiber to this recipe. 14 grams of fiber, which is really excellent. And however much protein your pasta of choice is adding, the better. All right, so the last step is 1 cup of the water from your pasta. This is like liquid gold, and you're gonna be adding that to the pasta sauce. Now we're gonna blend it for about 2 minutes until it's completely smooth. Pasta sauce is done. Now we're gonna combine the pasta sauce to our cooked pasta. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It smells so good. I swear I could drink this pasta sauce. So combine it all together. We're gonna let this simmer for 3 minutes on the stove to let everything come together, and the sauce is gonna like thicken a little bit. All right, now this is ready to plate and eat. Woo. And then we're gonna throw on some fresh basil. The tofu is gonna thicken as it cools, so it's important to eat this hot. And when you're reheating leftovers, add a little bit of water in a saute pan. Okay, let's go for it. Okay. She's giving cheesy without cheese. She's giving she does burpees. She's giving she has a run later. She's giving she has 2 young children and she has stuff to do. That's what she's giving in this bowl. Okay. It's really good.